We are here at the crucial trial, which we started back in 2002 in order to look at the possibilities and the problems or risks that could be associated with recycling waste materials from urban areas to agriculture. And indeed, a risk assessment has been part of the Improve P project. Much of the knowledge we have on, for example, sewage sludge is knowledge that was generated previously based on sewage sludge from London or from the Ruhr area just around the Second World War and after, that had very high amounts of heavy metals and a very bad quality. Over the past 20-30 years, the quality of the waste stream has changed dramatically. Much less heavy metals, and in general it has improved quite a lot. And therefore we think that it is relevant to look at how is the waste of today actually working. For example, to look at the build-up of heavy metals in the soils and in the plants, to look at antibiotic resistance. We have the following treatments. We have, for example, composted household waste. We have sewage sludge, both in a sort of a normal treatment, but also in very high amounts, accelerated amounts, in order to simulate maybe a worst case scenario. We have cattle slurry and cattle manure, and we have NPK. We have found that the amount of potentially toxic elements in the soil, even though it has received maybe more than 100 years of compost dose or 200 years of sewage sludge, has not been elevated a lot, and that the plants do not take up increased amounts of potentially toxic elements. We have also results that show that after taking out compost or cattle manure or sewage sludge, immediately you can find an increase in resistant bacteria, antibiotic resistant bacteria. Then after only a few weeks, it has subsided to the level that you find in a soil that has not received any fertilizer materials for years, which again shows that the soils are very robust. There are somewhat similar trials in France, also using urban waste products that have shown more or less the same results, that it is safe to use. The bad reputation that is attached to, for example, sewage sludge is not based on actual scientific evidence. We recommend that organic farmers consider now if they can use products from the urban areas and also consider using sewage sludge. It is an important source of nutrients and especially phosphorus.